In this section, we are going to talk about something simple, beautiful, and incredibly useful, and that is the equation of the circle. Have you ever wondered why this equation looks the way it does? You know, every general equation in maths is rooted in a general property. And for circle, the property is like every point on the circle is at the same distance from the center, and that fixed distance is known as the radius. So we will use this key idea along with the distance formula to build the equation step by step. Let's see this circle present on the coordinate plane. And the coordinates of the center are h and k. Right? These are h and k. And x and y is any coordinate, random coordinate on the circumference of the circle. It can be anywhere, here, or here, anywhere, right? But in every case, what is same? The distance from the center. Let's say that is r. So I'll use distance formula x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared, x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equal to r squared, right? Just I am doing r squared to eliminate the square root sign. This is the general equation of the circle. Now let's say the center is at 3 and 4. Any center coordinates are 3 and 4, and radius is, let's say, 2. So just replace them. Replace h with 3. Replace k with 4, because that is the center of the circle, is equal to, replace r with 2, which is 2 squared. So you can leave it here, or you can write it as 2 to the 4. So that is the equation of the circle. Now this is general equation, and we will see certain specific cases where h and k will be at certain positions, just like say this one. Here the center of the circle is at origin. That means h and k are 0 and 0. And let's say the radius is 2, right? Now because the center is at origin, so we can write the coordinates 2. This is 2 and 0. This one is the y-intercept, 0 and 2. This one is negative 2 and 0. And this one is 0 and negative 2. Radius is 2. So the general equation is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equal to r squared. So replace h with 0, x minus 0 whole squared. Replace k with 0, y minus 0 whole squared is equal to 2 squared. Now x minus 0 is x at x itself. So this is x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. So if the center is at origin, this equation is reduced to x square plus y square is equal to 4. Now let's see another case. In this case, this circle is touching the x-axis as well as the y-axis, right? And this is the center of the origin. So if you see this, let's say this distance is a, right? And if you see this, if this distance is a, this will also be a, and that means these coordinates are a and a. So if the circle touches the x-axis and the y-axis both, then h and k will be a and a. So if general equation is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equal to r squared, then replace h with a, replace k with a, replace r with a, You can also write RR, but just to differentiate the general equation and this specific condition, I am writing A at place of R. So here if this and this and this, these numbers are same, this shows that the circle is touching the x-axis as well as the y-axis. I'm saying touching, not intersecting, right? Okay, let's see one more case. Here it is touching the y-axis only, right? So if you see this one, this here, this distance is equal to the radius of the circle, right? Suppose if you have to write the x coordinate and the y coordinates, so this distance is equal to radius, which is actually the x, right? So here this is a and 0. Now if you see the y coordinate, this is not actually radius, so k is as it is. So that means h will be equal to a, but k will be k. So if general equation is x minus h whole squared, am I right? Yes. Y minus k whole squared is equal to r squared. So here h and r both are replaced by a. So x minus a whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equal to a squared. So here we can, we can make some key points for us. Just like if this number and this a, they are same, that means it is touching the y-axis, right? So we can take this as a key point. And if both are 0, if both are same, right, this and this and this all are same, that means it is touching all the axes. And let's see this one. If this is the center of the circle, so this point, actually this is A now, right? So this is equal to A. Now this one is not H, so the center will be H and A, right? Center will be H and A. So let's write the general equation first. X minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equal to r squared. So that will be x minus h, because h and a are not same, plus y minus a whole squared is equal to a squared, right? So if this number and this number, these are same, that means the circle is touching the x-axis.